Have you been wanting to take out that pesky powered by Kajabi but not wanting to upgrade plans? I got you. In just 2 clicks in this video, we'll be able to have it fully disappear without you having to upgrade anything. Let's dive in. This is going to be probably one of my shortest videos ever because I think to actually do this takes literally 2 clicks. But in case you don't already have your page up, make sure to log into your Kajabi, go down to your landing pages, select this landing page that you want to choose to use. And then what you're going to do, this one's my free guide. You can find it on my website under the description below. It's for a free checkout page. This will be on all the landing pages. So in case you're curious, make sure you do this on all of them. They don't auto save to all of them. So if you change this one thing in one page, you have to do it for the rest, unfortunately, unless you duplicate that page and use that new duplicated page for all your other pages. If that makes sense. So all we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here, or we can scroll down to click footer because that's where this is going to be. And as you can see, I already have this hidden. So obviously whatever footer image or footer color you want to have. So for me, I just use usually a straight black background. All you do is take that exact color, copy and paste. And then mine's a little bit less black. Copy and paste that, press save, and that's going to go away completely. And if you don't believe me, I'll just even take this off so you can see that it'll still show up if I don't have it here. So you can see I put the blue on there, bam, there it is. But if I put in that black that's the same background, then it's already fully gone for this. And it's going to be saved on desktop and mobile, so it's good for you there. And again, this will stay like that on this page forever unless you decide to change it. And if you want to keep it for all your other pages, you can do the same process, or you can just duplicate the page and start from there. This is, again, the simplest way to do it without having to upgrade costs, but still give you the really clean look that Kajabi pages provide. And just like that, you made your page just a little bit more beautiful and professional with now having a footer that is clean and free of the powered by Kajabi text. And no hate to them, I love Kajabi, hence why I love talking about it, but I know for a lot of people, including myself, it's nice to have that clean footer just right there for you. If you found this video useful, please make sure to thumbs up, liked, notifications, all the buttons down below, as here on this channel, I'll love to give you all the tips and strategies that I can to help you sell more of your courses and your products in a way that is easy and converting for your people. So with that said, if you have any questions around Kajabi, put them down in the comment below. If not, I'll see you in the next video.